Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone 11 keeps lagging and frequent freezing issue after update on iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, I have some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, the first solution is force reboot your iPhone 11. So guys, how can we force reboot our iPhone? So simply tap on power button, volume up and volume down at the same time for 15 seconds when Apple logo appears. So after force restarting your iPhone, so the second solution is update all pending apps. So guys, for update apps, open App Store. So here is the App Store. Tap on the profile icon in the right corner. So here you can see guys, I have a lot of apps for updating. So tap on update all here. So after updating your apps, so the next solution is uninstall unnecessary or unused apps. So guys, if you have apps you are not using on your iPhone, so simply uninstall all the apps. So like I have this app Xander, I'm not using this, so delete app. So Meet, I'm not using this, delete app. So after uninstalling your apps, so the next solution is check your device storage. So if you have storage is full, so your iPhone will normally lag. So I have a lot of storage on my iPhone. So guys, the next solution is check for iOS update your iPhone to the latest iOS. For update, open settings, tap on general, tap on software update, check for update. So guys, if you haven't updated your iPhone to the latest iOS version, so update your iPhone to the latest iOS. So simply go back. So guys, the next solution is, so guys, if you are using beta update on your iPhone, so beta will lag on every iPhone. So simply uninstall the beta and install the stable iOS 16 version. So guys, here are some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.